Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I'm Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So today on Public Demand, I have brought the selected candidate's resume. As I asked you if you want a video on that, so I've brought it for you. So let's start with the first resume. So our first gem is Vidya, who got selected for the role digital in TCS, and her salary package is 7 LPA, that is 7 lakh per annum. And what she has written in her introduction, let's go through that. So she has basically given point to point information, like you can see proficient in C, HTML, CSS, Node.js, passionate about implementing and launching new projects in jQuery, and software development ability to translate business requirements into technical solutions. So, what all is needed in a company is only this: software development ability to translate business requirement into technical solutions. So, that's really good introduction she has written. And you should mention your contact details clearly, and you should highlight that so that the one who want to connect with you, they should not have any problem in that. And as you can see, in her skill section, she has highlighted everything. If we talk about the education section, what all company need is they want clear information about that, because they basically mentioned that they want above 60%. So she has mentioned that her CGPA is 6.7, her 12 standard percentage is 60.82%, her percentage in 10 standards was this much. And then she has mentioned her personal projects. So this is very main thing about a resume, that you should mention your personal projects. As in every interview, basically in most of the interviews, the interviewer is always interested in what you have done in your past 4 year degree or your 3 year degree. They want to know what you have basically done about your internships or about your projects. So you should mention that very clearly in detail, and you should also mention your achievements, your certificates, your languages, because that shows that you are an all rounder. So that's all what a resume needs. So let's go on to the next one. That is for the role system and application service associate. So the company he got selected is Accenture, and his package is 3.3 LPA. So he has also given his introduction in a very precise manner. As you can see, he has written detail oriented data scientist want to gain experience. He has clearly mentioned indirectly that he is a fresher and he want to gain more experience. But he has also mentioned his skills over here, like he is proficient in machine learning, data visualization, statistical analysis, and database management, and all that stuff. And then he has mentioned his contact details very clearly. So the one who want to contact you should not have any problem in that. Then he has mentioned his work experience. So we come to the work experience here. He has mentioned everything in detail, like you can see his internship first, then his project, two project he has mentioned, then he has mentioned another project that is undergraduate project. So he has mentioned each and every detail, so the one who will read this, he will get to know what all you have done in one go. So that's all what a resume needs. And in education section, he has mentioned his grades clearly, okay? And then his skills he has mentioned clearly, and then his certificates. So that's all a resume needs. It's really very simple to make it. What all you need to do is you need to give your precise information. So our next resume is for the role of senior analyst who got selected in the company Capgemini, and his salary package is 7.5 LPA. But if we see his resume, it's really basic, very basic. So the one who don't want to make their resume like a little bit of colorful, so they can make their resume like this. It's really basic, and he has given the sharp information, not even a single useless line he has written, as I will get you through that. Like Ashish Kumar Jha, he has written his name, then his contact details clearly, and then his education. He has only mentioned his CGPA. But what I recommend is you should mention all your 10th standard, then 12th standard, then your CGPA also. Okay, then he has mentioned his experience. That is also in precise manner. Okay, then he has mentioned his skills he has really written in a good way, like for programming languages, then for libraries he has written, then for tools and for databases. So you should also mention your skills like this. so that the reader who is reading, he will get a precise information about you within minutes. So no extra information you need to give. You just need to give your precise information in your resume. And one page resume is always recommended. Like you can go for two-page resume also, but in every company you can see they mention that it should not exceed from 2 pages. And all of these resume are only one-page resume. So I basically recommend that you need to make it in one page only, like they have done. And certification he has mentioned, then honors and awards. So you can also make a simple resume with no highlights and no text highlights, no color. So it's your wish. If you want to make it colorful, you can make that colorful or you can make it this way. But according to me, I loved this resume the most because everything is highlighted, it's a little bit colorful, and it's formal, and these are formal colors, okay? And you can also tell me in the comment section if you want the resume templates. I will provide you that from Canva. I will mention that in my next video. So please interact with me. Tell me if you want the resume templates. I will surely provide 5, 6 templates from the Canva for sure. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.